Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozark. I'm standing in front of this freshly traded in 2022 S23 Nautique. Let's climb aboard here. It is equipped with the NCRS, NSS, and the surf pipe. This does have a ladder that comes down off of the swim platform here. As we board the swim platform, this boat is equipped with the PCM ZR4. It has 96.2 hours on the motor. Lots of storage here with the integrated subfloor ballast. Plenty of room for all your gear. It does come equipped with the bow filler cushion and the wind door to close it off. Great seating area. You can see it has the strapless board racks and the JL tower speakers. All the action happens at the back of the boat, so you have flip up stadium seats here. To view the action, plus this, but everybody has their own seat facing backwards. Nice design there by Nautique. This race car design inspired helm chair, very user friendly, very ergonomical. Again, the Link Panorama touchscreen, very nice screen. You can control your NSS, your NCRS, music, ballast, everything from that screen. Very user friendly here. 2 wireless phone chargers in your master JL head unit there. And then a large open bow for cruising down the lake, or if you want to watch the action from the front and get the bird's eye view. Again, this is a 2022 Nautique S23 with 96.2 hours. For more information, you can call us at 573-606-3022. Look forward to getting you out on the water.